Hey fam, let's focus on loosening up the core and back today. We've got 5 minutes to strengthen your spine, activate your core, and get everything flowing smoothly. These stretches will help release tension and build stability. So let's hit the mat fam. Let's start in child's pose. Come down onto your knees, bring your hips back towards your heels, and stretch your arms forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat. Take deep breaths, and with every exhale, let go of any tension in your lower back and hips. Hold here, breathing deeply. Feel your spine lengthening as you relax into the stretch. From child's pose, let's move into a flow with cobra stretch. Inhale as you glide your body forward, lowering your hips to the floor and pressing through your palms to lift your chest into cobra. Exhale as you sink back into child's pose. Continue this flow, using your breath to guide you. This movement is great for opening up the chest and spine while releasing any tension in the lower back. Keep flowing for 1 minute, focusing on smooth, controlled movements. Now hold cobra stretch. Stay in this lifted position with your hips on the mat and your chest open. Keep your elbows slightly bent and your shoulders relaxed away from your ears. Feel the stretch through your spine and core as you take deep, calming breaths. This stretch will help improve your flexibility and release tightness in the lower back. Let's move into cat-cow stretch. Come onto all fours with your wrists directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale, arching your back and lifting your chest for cow pose. Exhale, rounding your spine and tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Keep flowing through these movements, syncing your breath with the motion. This helps increase mobility in the spine and brings some relief to your back. From all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back into bird dog stretch. Keep your core tight and your back flat. Inhale as you extend and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together underneath your body. Continue for 30 seconds on this side, focusing on balance and control. This stretch engages your core, lower back, and glutes. Switch sides now. Extend your left arm forward and your right leg straight back. Bird dog is an excellent stretch to strengthen your core while improving stability and balance. And there you have it fam. In just 5 minutes, you've strengthened your core, improved flexibility in your back, and released tension. These moves are great to add to your daily routine to keep your spine healthy and your body strong. Make sure to smash the subscribe button fam, and save this flow for whenever you need a quick core and back reset. Let's stay strong and keep moving. Let's go, fam!